Hello everybody, my name is Daniel and I am from djmovie.net. Today I am going to show you and we are going to talk about laser gun effects or sci-fi gun shot. From Real Gun Movie you can watch this movie right here or or here. So on our website www.djmovie.net and or our YouTube channel. But let's take a look how it is looking after download. It's here. It's a zip folder. So when we open it, we have here two folders and one license. In other bonuses, here are 5 shockwaves elements and some sparks. And but today we are going to take a look for laser shots, colorful laser shots, and I will take these two, extract it here, and put it, rename it for 2B, so 2B or not 2B. It's here, drag it there after our clip, and whoa, okay, it's here. Yes, layers is layers mode is screen, and how it's going. Wow, so this is really pretty effect, and we got it by 1 minute and 50 seconds. So what about what if I want my specific color? Okay, so I delete this. Oh, it's too hard. No, it's really easy. Yeah, go to black and white. Oh, and grab that second. Again, second. Put it here. And rename it to A or not to A. Copy it there. Put it right here. And where it is? It's here. Okay. Screen. Put it right there. And what now? What to do now? It's easy. Again, easy like everything. Go to website www.videocopilot.net, and here you have free plugin VC Color Vibrance. Wow, this is awesome plugin, and it's free. There was the download link right here, so let's grab it there, and let's say I want this orange color. Yeah, it's like gold color, and boom. Or it's fire color. Yeah, like fire. Wow. Okay, so this I think that's all for today. But everything. Wait a moment. Oh no. Yes. So if you want this awesome effect, click here, add to cart. But we have special discount. That discount is that's coupon code. The name of coupon code is that is tutorial 1, 2, 3. Yes, and you will get 30% off. So this is really cool discount. So it's all on you, and see you guys next time.